Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep.
Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So I went out to Walmart. My great niece is having a gender reveal, so she said if you think it's a boy, bring Pampers. If you think it was a girl, bring wipes. So I got Pampers, so I think she's having a boy. But also, I started shopping for our Thanksgiving dinner, which we're having next Saturday. We see the third Saturday. So I try to always donate something. So I think I'm going to get a case of chicken. And y'all know I make my dressing with the corn kit. So I bought 24 of them. So 12 of these make a steam table full size. So I use this, 4 cans of cream of chicken, and one of the big things of Richard dressing mix. And I think I'm going to show y'all how I do it. I just do one. I have like a small thing, like for a 9 by 13, you do 3. So you just quadruple that if you're going to do a full steam table pan. So that's why I have this much. But this will make 2 steam table pans. So I donated this cornbread. And I didn't know, so this was $6 and something each. So I don't know if I'm going to get 24 more out of our account, or if I'm going to try to, I've never used the Martha White, so I want to use.
Hey y'all, so the dressing was actually a success. I ended up doing 2 pans of cornbread with the corn kit. So I used 12 pack per full steam table pan, and then I got 2 5-pound bags of the Martha White hot rise, or it was self-rising. Supposed to use buttermilk, but I used regular milk. And each one of the 5-pound bags made a steam table pan. So I had 4 pans of the cornbread. I had 8 of the Richard dressing mixes. I had 4 stalks of celery. I had about 4 to 6 bell pepper. I had 6 pounds of onion. I had 4 bunches of green onion. I had 4 cans each steam table pan of cream of chicken. I see some people use cream of celery, and I think my sister used to, and I may try that. And then I use poultry seasoning, Tony seasoning, onion, and garlic powder. Y'all, it came out. I was so glad at how it came out. And then I got cranberry sauce. I got the 8 cans of cranberry sauce from Sam's, in which we ran out. We probably was able to feed about 100 out of that. So, but I'm glad I did the dressing at home. Well, I didn't mix it at home, but I made I sauteed the vegetables and added the Richard mix. And what I did was I boiled down some chicken gizzards, and I used the broth off the gizzards to add to the chicken broth that I had. I had some chicken broth at home. I had, I do the broth when I do chicken. I put that in there. So to do dressing, we got to the church at 8 and we started serving at 11. But to do dressing, trial and error, I know now that you cannot make that dressing that morning. You just really don't have enough time. You'd have to really, really start early, because like I said, I cut up everything at home, and I had garlic. I had, I think, 2 cloves of garlic, but it came out good. And so we got a lot of reviews. So y'all, one time last year we made a dressing, it came out, we didn't have, it was kind of gummy. One of my members had made, but she had made yellow corn meal. I don't like yellow cornbread with my dressing. It was kind of gummy. So by the time we got through putting it all together, it didn't come out right. And so when my food don't come out right and I have to serve people, it really hurt me, because I don't want nobody to think I'm just throwing anything together for them. But this time I was really, really proud. It came out really, really, really good. So if you're planning to feed a large crowd, to feed 200, each steam table pan will feed 50 people. Yeah. So anyway, it came out good. It was a success. I just wanted to tell y'all that. Happy holidays, y'all.
What I know, so it'll come out good. Because last year I learned that I can't make all of it at once, because it's just hard to mix it. And to me, it has like a gummy consistency, and I don't like that. And so I'm not going to wait until the morning of the feeding to make it either. We're going to go over on Friday. I'm going to work half a day Friday. So we're going to go over Friday. We're making the sweet potato pies and make a pan of brownies. Because I don't know if my pastor like sweet potato pies. So he likes chocolate. So either I do brownies or a steam table pan of cake. So so this time usually we budget to feed 150. I think I'm gonna do 200, but what I'm gonna do, like I donated this, and I'm gonna also donate a case of chicken. So that'll be, you know, the extra over the 150. So I like just, you know, do that myself, just as a way of giving back. And then they had these, okay, and then I got the fish fry, the crispy southern, because we're frying fish. My grandbaby loves catfish. They're coming to the gender reveal, so we're gonna do that. I think I have another thing, but y'all, if y'all haven't tried this crispy southern, very, very good. And it's not too salty, and it doesn't have an aftertaste. The Louisiana, the reason why I stopped with the Louisiana, because after, like, you know, after you burp, I'm sorry, excuse me if you think that's vulgar, but after you eat, I taste that, I don't know, it's some kind of artificial lemon I don't like. But anyway, then my grandson, he wanted to do some gingerbread men, but we're going to say that for Christmas. So I bought him some cut and bake. So we're going to cut and bake some chocolate chip cookies. And then these blackberries, I had bought these last time. They were almost $5. They're on sale for $3.52. So I went ahead and got 4 bags of them just to put up to half. And then I went over in the section and I got me a pair of the, what brand this is? True Fit, I think. And I got me a Mickey Christmas shirt to wear to our Christmas parade. Anyway, y'all, that's all I got. I just wanted to come on and share. I didn't bring the Pampers in. And I made some chicken salad. I'll link that video how I make my chicken salad. And I'm making some angel eggs. All right, talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Much love. Bye. I'm so sad because they don't sell Miss Smith pie crust anymore. And if y'all watch my videos when I do my pie, I love Miss Smith pie crust. And so my sister told me she couldn't find any. And I haven't been able to find any either. And you know how when a store is out of something, how they have an empty space? Well, they didn't have the empty space where the Miss Smith pie crust is supposed to go. So I called the company. I sure did. And the man told me that they're no longer making the Mrs. Smith pie crust. They're concentrating on the pies that they make. In which their pies are good because their crust is good. So I got the green onion. I got 4 bunches of green onion. I got sugar because, fun fact, I put a little sugar. Anytime I use mustard just about, I put a little sugar in my potatoes, in our potato salad. I got my son some more milk because I used the last milk doing those pans of cornbread. And so I'm going to try the Marie Callender pie crust and see how it does. My son wanted the Edwards turtle pie. Y'all, these are so good. So I bought him one of those. And I got 2 more things of chicken broth, and I already have to. But like I said, I got some. Y'all know I told y'all many years ago how you do your dressing. You bake you some chicken, and you take that broth because it's got all that seasoning, right? And you freeze it until you get ready to use it. And so when you saute my vegetables and everything, when I get through with that, that's going to be too hot to just add to your cornbread, right? So I'm going to take my frozen chicken broth, and that's going to bring that temperature down real fast. Here it is out of the freezer, my frozen chicken broth. And I'm leaving it in there because that's going to bring... Do not, unless you like a gummy dressing, don't mix your hot liquids with your cornbread. It's going to be gummy. It is. So, anyway, y'all, I don't have very much. I've been shopping and getting things together. Started this week. And, y'all, be safe. Talk to y'all later. Oh, welcome all my new subscribers, too. Much love. Bye.